Hello again, everybody. Jason Veenstra here with the Veenstra Real Estate Team and eXp Realty, and I'm joined by
Crystal Haydo from Allen Edwin Homes.
Awesome. Thank you, Crystal, so much for coming out here today.
Oh, yeah.
Where are we?
We're in Concord Farms in Mattawan, the Village of Mattawan.
Okay, Concord Farms, and you can see behind us, there is not a lot on these lots.
Because it's new.
Because it's new.
Well, it's the final phase in the community, and we want you to know this because we want you a chance to get in here because it is the last phase.
It's the last phase, and from what I understand, things are already moving pretty quickly here.
Yes, so we came out here because we finally have a road.
Beautiful, love that.
But before we had this paved, we already sold 3 sites.
That before it was even paved.
Yep.
People can't even envision what it's going to be, and they're already snagging it.
Exactly.
I love it. Okay, well, tell us about Concord Farms a little bit. We're in Mattawan.
Yes, we're in the Village of Mattawan. This is my most affordable option in Greater Kalamazoo.
Okay.
Which is why it makes it popular, but it's cute too.
It is. It's an adorable little town.
So we have the schools across the street. We have the Little League ball field here to the west. On the other side of us, we have the library. And then we
have literally in the backyard.
Like right there,
yes.
Yeah. So you can do all kinds of stuff. It's just walking.
Yeah, it's awesome. When I was driving here, I went by the park and Moo Moo's.
Yes.
The ice cream shop, and literally walking distance to those as well. Delightful.
You make it a whole weekend hanging around here. So.
Absolutely, absolutely. Now, this last phase, you said it's your most affordable phase.
Yes.
And prices start under $300,000?
Correct, yes they do.
Okay, so under $300,000. Now there's nothing behind us currently, but you had mentioned that you guys are building some specs here.
Yes, so right now we have 6 in the queue, and we actually started staking them out. Okay. And we're gonna have those ready November, December of this year, and they're gonna start from $335,000 to $355,000.
Okay. And what kind of houses can you build in Concord Farms?
Oh, I can do it bi-levels, ranches, and 2-story homes.
The ranch is actually pretty unique. Yeah. There are not a ton of neighborhoods around where you can be building the ranches. And so if you are looking for all of the living on one main floor, this is a really great option.
Oh yeah, you're under $350 for sure.
That is.
And that's a really tough one to get because the ranches they've got a big foundation, big roof system, so price per square foot tends to be a little higher when you're building it, but this is really affordable.
Yeah, I love that. And I mean, we're coming into the summer months now. It's already June, which is crazy.
What? I know.
And we're talking November, December that these homes will be complete and ready to go.
Yeah.
Excellent. Now, if you purchase one of these homes and you use the Veenstra Team along with Crystal Haydo at Allen Edwin Homes, there's some incentives that you can get along with that. Tell us a little bit more about that.
Yes, so if you build a home here with Jason and with the Crystal, you got $5,500. Isn't that crazy?
That's not chump change.
As a credit at our design studio.
Love that.
That buys a lot.
It does.
It does a lot.
And the design studio is really cool because you go in there with people who know what they're talking about. They look at cabinetry, countertops,
flooring, lighting. It's like Menards in there. It's got all the lights in there.
It is, and it's all in one location, so it's way less overwhelming. But you can get extras
for free.
For free. It's a wonderful thing. Yeah. So if you are interested in learning more about Concord Farms, if you're interested in learning more about Allen Edwin Homes, reach out. Give me a call, text me, email me, stalk me on Facebook, whatever works best for you. Just get in touch.
Yes.
We'll get you connected with Crystal and we'll help you figure out if this is the right option for you or if there's another Allen Edwin Homes neighborhood that might be a good option for you as well.
Okay, awesome.
Crystal, thank you.
Thank you. Okay.
Hope you all have a wonderful day. Make sure you like, subscribe, and click the bell so you are notified of any new videos, and we'll talk to you again soon.